Okay, and then finished. All right, we are here again, and then I want to uncheck sample count, for example. Okay, you can also uncheck the P90 if you want, or you are just concentrating on P10, P90, and P50, so you can uncheck the P average. You can also uncheck the PF. Okay, so there you have it, your P10, P90, and P50. And of course, the decline values. The B factor, you can see we have 0 for P10, so it's exponential decline, 0 for P50, exponential decline. But P90, we have B of 1, which means we have harmonic. So it's quite weird. You have P10, P50 exponential, but P90 harmonic. Okay, you need to justify that using, good reservoir engineering analysis. But again, we are just talking about the software used here. NDI, the decline rate, monthly nominal. And we have also the P10, P50, and P90 for the initial flow rate. Okay. And you can also check this one, all production curves. Okay, so you can visualize all the decline curves of, of all the completions, of all the 151 completions. Cumulative curves, if you want, P10, P50, P90. And you can also, again, deselect or unselect several, completions if you want. Uncheck this one, uncheck this one, uncheck this one, this, just randomly, and then click on finish. The type well will be changed, of course. Okay, you can see the change. All right, so I think that's all. So in this video, we have learned about how to create type well analysis using OFM software. So it's very easy. The execution is very easy, but of course, to come up with the good conclusion of type well analysis, you need to do, some modifications. Maybe you can unselect some wells that will not be representative for your field. And maybe you need to adjust the normalization, either based on nothing, all right, based on peak production time, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video is useful. See you again in the next Eng-Man videos. Thank you.